In this video I will derive the formula for the sum of the n first terms in a geometric progression. First, let's remember what a geometric progression is. We start with the first term that we call a1, and the next term is obtained by multiplying the first term by a number called the ratio. So the second term is a1 times r. R is the ratio. And the next terms are obtained as well by multiplying by the ratio. In each step we multiply by r. So the third term is a1 times r squared. The fourth term is a1 times r cubed. The fifth term is a1 times r fourth, and so on and so forth until the last terms. I'm gonna write the two last terms, which will be the term n minus 1 will be a1 times r to the n minus 2, and the nth term will be a1 times r to the n minus 1. And all these terms are what we have to add, like this. And let's call this sum Sn. And now let's multiply by r on both sides of this equation, like this. Let's multiply on the second side of the side inside the parentheses, like this. And now let's notice that all these terms are the same as these here. So that is Sn minus a1, as we can see here, which means that we can replace the circled terms on the bottom equation by Sn minus a1. That's better. Let's put it together. And from this formula, if we take away Sn on both sides, like this, let's subtract common factor Sn on the left side and switch the order on the right side and divide both sides by r minus 1, like this. And we have derived the desired formula. The sum of the n terms in a geometric progression equals the first term times the ratio to the nth power minus the first term, all divided by r minus 1, the ratio minus 1.